Cloves, those small, aromatic flower buds often associated with holiday baking and mulled drinks, are much more than a flavorful spice. Packed with an impressive array of health benefits, cloves have been revered for centuries in traditional medicine systems around the world. From their potent antioxidant properties to their ability to combat inflammation and support overall health, cloves truly deserve a place in every kitchen pantry and holistic wellness regimen. Antioxidant powerhouse. One of the most notable benefits of cloves lies in their exceptional antioxidant content. Cloves are rich in compounds such as phenolic acids and flavonoids, which act as powerful antioxidants in the body. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging, chronic diseases, and inflammation. By incorporating cloves into your diet, whether in whole or ground form, you can bolster your body's defenses against oxidative stress and promote long-term health. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is increasingly recognized as a key factor in the development of various diseases, including cardiovascular conditions, arthritis, and certain cancers. Fortunately, cloves possess potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help mitigate this risk. Eugenol, a primary compound found in cloves, has been shown to inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body, thereby reducing inflammation and associated symptoms. Regular consumption of cloves may contribute to a healthier inflammatory response and potentially lower the risk of chronic inflammatory diseases. Dental health and pain relief. For centuries, cloves have been used in traditional medicine as a natural remedy for dental issues and pain relief. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, exhibits both analgesic, pain-relieving, and antibacterial properties, making it an effective option for alleviating toothaches and gum pain. Additionally, cloves have been incorporated into dental care products such as toothpaste and mouthwash due to their ability to combat oral bacteria and promote oral health. Whether used topically or consumed orally, cloves can provide soothing relief for dental discomfort and support overall dental hygiene. Digestive support. Cloves have long been valued for their digestive benefits, aiding in the relief of various gastrointestinal issues. The eugenol and other compounds found in cloves can help relax the smooth muscle lining of the digestive tract, reducing spasms and discomfort associated with conditions like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Moreover, cloves stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, facilitating the breakdown and absorption of nutrients from food. Incorporating cloves into your meals or consuming them as a tea can promote smoother digestion and alleviate digestive disturbances. Blood sugar regulation. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, particularly for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Research suggests that cloves may offer benefits in blood sugar regulation thanks to their unique biochemical profile. Studies have demonstrated that certain compounds in cloves, such as eugenol and polyphenol, can enhance insulin sensitivity, improve glucose metabolism, and reduce the risk of insulin resistance. By including cloves in your diet, you may help support healthy blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. Conclusion. In conclusion, cloves are much more than a culinary spice. They are a treasure trove of health-promoting properties. From their potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects to their role in dental health, digestive support, and blood sugar regulation, cloves offer a wide array of benefits for overall wellness. Whether enjoyed in cooking, consumed as a tea, or used topically for pain relief, incorporating cloves into your daily routine can be